Here is how to create a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. First, select the Type tool and type the letter you want to use. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard as you adjust the size to scale it proportionally. You can also go to the Character panel to choose your preferred font. Next, right-click on the letter and select Create Outlines. Then, navigate to the Object menu, scroll down to Compound Path, and select Make. Now with the letter still selected, go to Fill and choose Black. After that, go to the File menu, scroll down and select Place. Choose your image from your computer and click Place. Position the image so it covers the letter. Then with the image selected, click Embed in the top control bar. Right-click on the image, go to Arrange, and select Send Backward. This moves the image behind the letter shape. Adjust the letter's position to frame the perfect part of your image. Finally, highlight both the image and the letter, right-click, and select Make Clipping Mask. And that's it. You have successfully created a beautiful clipping mask effect.